yourself, your godly self, your supreme self, your inner self, your divine self, what else can I say? Your source self, as a bright, bright, bright sun. Bright, bright as you've never seen in your life. The sun that you know here is nothing comparing to what you are. Your own light, your own sun. And there are million rays of light, but let's say there are 100 rays of light. This is your natural state until you chose to come on this planet in matter. Matter. You ended up as a human after millions of years of evolution. When you came on this planet the first time, you came as a light being, completely aware, I am divine, I am God, I am source. There's no forgetfulness at that moment. Then for the sake of experience and everything, whether we speak of Archangel Lucifer or beyond that, you chose to become matter, one cell, from this to become the human body that you are today. For that human experience, one ray among the 100, there's 100 one, yes, you understand that? 100 ray, one will say, okay, I will go and be that experience with you. This consciousness of yours, decide to be that. That ray of light is pure perfection in its essence, meaning you are perfection in your essence. That ray of light, in my language, that ray of pure consciousness, supreme light, now move into that physical form of yours, and that's what I call a soul. Maybe other system, other teaching, other culture call it different. For me, that's the soul. This soul now, how many lifetimes you've had here? And even if somebody said this is my first lifetime, it's fine with me. But you've had numerous and numerous lifetimes. And this energy now goes from one lifetime to another. So let's take only this lifetime. How much distortion has been in this lifetime? You can't say only what you remember last week or last month, yes? So now look at how these distortions that you created with your thoughts, your feelings, your actions, your bigger mind, all wrap into the props of profound healing. Is that correct? You understand that? Now this soul goes wherever you go. Whatever you do is with you. Whatever you think is with you. Whatever you feel is with you. Whether it's this energy of hatred, this, what is it, resentment, what else? Anger, all these energies, now the soul is going with you. Do you think it's possible for the soul to stay perfect, or is being tinted by the color that you're bringing there? Meaning now the soul starts to be into that as a dimmed light, little by little. The essence is the same. Little by little now the soul is becoming and is forgetting. The energy of the soul now is with you, forgetting its essence. Together with that, because on your planet here, it is a free will planet. You are free to do and say anything. Completely free. You are free to be lazy, lethargic, yeah? Lethargic. You are free to hate anybody, feel resentment towards another human being who is yourself. What else? Help me, somebody. Kill, kill. Thank you, thank you. Kill someone. This is your free will of planet Earth. All this to say that because of that free will, and because instead of going here or here, you go here a little bit, here a little bit, here a little bit. You understand that? This is so important that you become aware of this energy that you've created. And it's possible for you to decreate that. Who understand what I'm saying?